Welcome back to Blind Man Morris, and today this video is for Nelly. So I think you're talking about this heater hose here. You want to change this, usually change both hoses at the same time. You buy one length of hose, cut it to length and then fit it. So before you start, kill the battery, undo the earth strap or use a kill switch, take it off on the negative side, because obviously you don't want fluid and electrics mixing and you're going to be working under the dash. Next, you take your 4-pint or 2-litre container plastic milk carton, undo this hose clip, pull the hose off, pop it into the milk carton until it's drained, undo this hose clip on, when you can find it, there, sorry, on this hose here, pull that off, pop that into the milk carton until it's completely drained. You want some kitchen towel or paper towel around here to keep all this moisture off the distributor and alternator or dynamo, and then once you've taken those off, check the over here, these grommets that run through the bulkhead. If they're perished, this would be a great time to change those. So you want to lubricate these hoses on the top with either WD or some dementors so you can pull them through the bulkhead back this way. So I'm going to go under in the car and film where you take them off the heater matrix. So here we are under the car, well, in the car, sorry, and the heater matrix on this square Smith's heater is in front of the fan intake there. So the top hose is just up there, I don't know if you can see that, and the bottom hose is here. So you undo these clips here and here. You want some paper towel if you've got a nice parcel shelf in here. Ours is rotten and falling out. Take these out, wipe up the moisture, take the clips off, and then pull the pipes through from the engine bay out. Probably pay to lubricate these with some WD to pull them through so it doesn't pull the grommets out of the bulkhead, but you're probably going to want to replace the grommets anyway unless they've been recently replaced. So here we are to finish off. You've pulled your hoses through, you've fitted your grommets, you've reconnected your hoses to your heater valve at the back here and the bypass hose here, tighten the Jubilee clips up, and then it's just a case of testing. So you use the water that you've taken out from your 4-pinter, fill up your rad, turn the engine over, and then go round checking for leaks, turn it off, retighten, turn it over again, check it for leaks, and if there's no leaks, you're good to go. There we go. Hope that's helpful.